Well, all fun things come to a change, not necessarily the end, but we are leaving Bryce Canyon this morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, sun's just coming up. We're going to be kind of glad to get away from all the dust and the dirt. We have gotten so dirty and so dusty. We're going to be picking up some cleaning supplies and hopefully get our bug collection off by the time we get either down to St. George or, yeah, we got quite a few bugs going on there. We're going to stop by the Camping World, hopefully get some supplies to clean that up. We're going to be getting into much warmer weather. This has been dropping into the 30s, high 30s at night. By the weekend, actually this is the weekend, tonight's supposed to be below 30, high 20s. So we're going to be leaving here just in time. When we get to Las Vegas, the lows are going to be in the high 60s and the highs are going to be in the high 90s, and we're going to be in the 70s as a low when we get to Phoenix, and the highs are going to be like 98, 99. So we're going to be pulling out of here. Don only has 2 more Jeep driving days to go, one from here down to St. George. It's actually St. George Hurricane KOA. We're going to be just outside of Leeds, and then one last time down to Las Vegas. So that's about it. We did a lot of cleanup last night, so there's only a few things to do, but we are going to take our time getting on the road. His check-in is not till 1. I called the KOA last night, and they are definitely not allowing early check-in because they are so busy right now. Once again, free camping. Wanted to talk a little bit about that. People talk about, well, is it really free? Well, considering the fact that yes, it is free in the sense that you are basically not paying any camp fees whatsoever. However, the one thing that is that you do have to consider, obviously when you're in a campground, you do get electricity. So I'm running a generator, and we're sharing the generator between 2 rigs, and we've now had 12 days of dry camping. 12 dry camping, and we have used maybe 10 gallons of gas at about $2.25 a gallon is what we're paying. So you figure that's a camping fee of $22.50. That's for 12 days. That's not bad at all. Most campsites, that's not even a day. That's a half a day. So that's pretty good on that route. Propane, you're going to use propane no matter what. Okay, we might use a little extra propane because we're running the fridge on propane, but still, propane will last us probably just normal use, just running our heater. The refrigerator uses very little propane, so our heater you're going to be running anyway because it's a gas heater. You're not going to be running electric heating. So that's really the only expense we had. Now, if you are one to have a rig and pay the money out up front for solar, eventually it'll pay for itself. You know, that $22.50, some places it might be up to $30 because it might be $3 a gallon or more. So if you're looking at that, solar eventually will pay for itself. But for a decent solar system to keep everything up, including you're going to want 2,000 watts. So 2,000 watts, because that's what the generator's giving us. Think about that. We're able to plug stuff in and run stuff off of that 2,000 watt generator. So if you want that kind of running, then you're going to need a pretty heavy duty solar system. But if all you want to do is keep your house batteries up, we could have done it with half the gasoline, because we've been running this to constantly be charging devices, watching TV. Yeah, we're watching TV. Okay, so you can get away with a lot less off the generator if all you want to do is just keep your batteries charged. So that's about it for this morning. We're going to be slowly moving around. It's cold out here. I want to get inside. And we'll pick it up on the road. Well, it's pretty funny. No matter what time we try to start to get out, seems like 10:30 to 10:45 is the magic time. No problem. We have plenty of time today. Check-in's not till 1. We only have a 2-hour drive. Well, it'll be a 3 to 4 hour drive, but according to GPS, a 2-hour drive. So we're good. Act is set. This is the boys' car. Dawn's in the Jeep. That's the girls' car. Dawn and Sierra. And we're pulling out. Well, we just stayed 2 nights in Leeds. As you see by the video, we had a nice gathering for some taco soup. Recipe in the comments below. We're going to be heading on to Vegas, Las Vegas, Nevada. Got to specify that. There is a Las Vegas, New Mexico. We're heading to Las Vegas, Nevada. We'll be there for 6 days. And then our final push on... to Sunflower in Arizona. So some of our plans in Las Vegas got changed up a bit, so not sure what we're going to be doing or if we'll have any video of that, but if so, we'll see you in Vegas. If not, we'll probably pick this up as we're on our way to Arizona. Act is ready. And are you ready? He's ready. Okay, this is his last travel day of just a boys' truck and a girls' Jeep, because Dawn will be riding with us when we leave Las Vegas. She and Sierra will be. So, all right, we are going to pull out in just a few minutes. Remember last year when we were on our way back to Arizona from Las Vegas and we had a blowout and I was stuck in a parking lot for a couple of hours? Well, we're on our way from Leeds, Utah to Las Vegas. I didn't have any tire problems, but my son, who was driving in front of us, yeah, this is basically what happens when the lugs are not checked or tightened down. That's not his fault, but when he had the last work done on it, they didn't tighten the lugs down, and the lugs completely sheared off. That's what they're supposed to look like. And I saw the tire go tearing off down the side of the road. Thank goodness it did not go across the center divider, though it was on the driver's side. It actually pulled behind the rig and took off down an embankment off to the right of the road, and I saw where it went. Truthfully, there was a lot of debris on the road. I thought he blew a tire, but instead this is what happened. So here's the tire, and those lugs completely burned through the rim. So this rim now is pretty much shot, but the tire is in perfect shape. I did see where it went off the road, so we went back in the Jeep and picked up the tire. We're waiting for roadside assistance to finish replacing the lugs, giving us new lug nuts, and we're not sure if, well, obviously they can't use this wheel, but we're hoping the spare is good. If not, we'll pull the spare out of our rig. I know our spare is good because we used it last year. All right, so we'll pick it up in a minute or so when the repair guy gets here and starts doing his thing. So there's no wood to knock on, but so far we're doing okay. So that's about it. Wow, so we're gonna be stuck out here, Valley of Fire. We're just about 40 miles from Las Vegas. All right, so update. We never did see roadside assistance. They could not do that kind of work. I won't go into all the details of what we wound up having to do, but to be perfectly clear, we didn't get to Las Vegas till after dark. As far as to the KOA, it was a long day. Anyways, we'll pick it up from there. We didn't shoot anything in Las Vegas this time around, though we do head back to Sunflower after a few days of visiting with our other son. Well, we might actually be making a record time getting ready to go. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're almost ready to finish unhooking water, electric, and hook up. We are leaving Las Vegas yet again, and this is our final push to Sunflower RV Resort, where we will be wintering. So hang in there, bear with us, stay with us. We're going to be seeing a lot of cool stuff. We have resolved ourselves to do outings down in the Arizona area to kind of show off what it has to offer. So I need to finish up here, just a few things left to do, and we'll be on our way. Atka has been bugging me all morning. He knows it's a travel day. I'm not showing you. I want to get Atka. Where's the buddy?
Oh, I'm dying here.
So are you ready for a travel day, puppy? Uh-oh, Mama's having a bad day. Yep, there's my boy. He's waiting patiently for now. We're back in Sunflower in Arizona because we're still getting the jets flying by again from Luke Air Force Base, but we did get our old site back. Now we jumped forward in time a little bit because in real time we're shooting around the holidays. This is a week before Christmas, and you can see behind me our setup. It's love the spot, but we pretty much will be coming to you and giving you an update of the Sunflower Resort probably in a few weeks, and also a recap of our summer travels. So we'll go ahead and wish you a happy holidays, because when you see this, it will be happy holiday time. So we're going to go ahead and end this video here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button.
And also hit the bell, and that'll let you know when we post every Sunday
at 2 o'clock. Give us a thumbs up for safe measure, safe travels, and we will see you on the road.
Sláinte.